lions. Big brands, big names, big energy, bigger energy, big stories. When you hear the word lion, what do you see? A lion on safari, the lion on your bid, lions on your team's flag, lions everywhere. But what if they're not? What if the lions are disappearing? Lions. Icons of strength now need our support. And this could be our last chance. Because lion populations have been declining for the last 100 years, and that decline is accelerating. Now across Africa, there are estimated to be only 23,000 mature individual lions, which in human terms is the population of just one small town, spread across the entire continent. And that's bad news because the lion is an apex predator, critical to ecosystem stability. So if their numbers collapse, so does that delicate ecosystem. So what's behind this critical decline? It's a quadruple threat. Lions used to roam across Africa, but today their range has been massively reduced. Now 80% of Africa's lions are in the east and south, but only 50% of their habitat is protected. And even those protected areas are under threat from agricultural expansion. Then there are the roads, railways and other infrastructure cutting through the lion's range and boxing them in even more. When they can't move freely, they risk running out of food and mates, reducing genetic diversity and increasing vulnerability to diseases. And when a lion has to live near people, coexistence can be tricky, and the lion risks running into trouble that can result in deaths. A lion's survival depends on finding prey, but when game is scarce, livestock becomes an easy target. Cattle, goats, sheep. To a hungry lion, these all represent food. But to a farmer, this livestock can mean income, food security, social standing, and a much-needed safety net. Everything. When lions are driven to prey on livestock, they devastate communities, and in these desperate circumstances, nobody wins. Using poison, snares, shooting on sight, the lions are killed in retaliation. And it's only going to get worse. Climate change, wildfires, fewer prey animals, and expanding human populations. It's a huge challenge, made worse by this. The legal and illegal trade in lion body parts and their smuggling is increasing. Their skin, teeth, claws and bones are used in traditional medicine and purchased as novelty items. While some lion body parts are smuggled out of the continent, there's also a growing domestic market. Rampant trade in bushmeat, often driven by poverty, conflict and climate issue, also decreases the remaining lions and the lion's vital sources of food. And yet, lions don't have to die or lose their homes for people to prosper. From tourism dollars, conservation jobs, payments for ecosystem services. Because if you go to Africa, you want to see a lion, don't you? And managed properly, lions generate serious income for communities. Put simply, a lion alive is worth far more than a dead one. Coexistence isn't just possible, it's profitable. In fact, it has been estimated that each living lion in the wild generates more than $1 million in cash returns. And when local people benefit from the lions, lions benefit from local people. At WWF, we know how important lions are to local communities, national economies, global heritage, and to you. And that's why we are dedicated to protecting them.